Hey guys, it's India here from MYM Beauty. So I'm just going to do a quick little video today to show you guys how the Garbo and Kelly Master of Illumination palette works. So we'll get right to it. But we've basically got 2 matte highlighting shades here, and then we've got 4 shimmer shades. Ava, Charlie, Lana and Garland. Sammy Robinson also did a video on the Garbo and Kelly Master of Illumination palette, and she was amazed by this as well, so you definitely have to check it out. Cool, so I've got a fluffy kind of brush here that I use to put my highlighter on with. I'm going to swatch these quickly for you guys so you can see what they look like. So I'm going to go in with Ava first. You can see beautiful rosy pink. And then I'm going to go with Charlie, which is more of like a bronze highlighter. Insane, like the pigment of these is crazy. Then I'm going to go with Lana, which is sort of a lighter shade of Ava. It's more of sort of a peachy colour. I'm going to pop that on there for you guys. More like a champagne shimmer. And then Garland, which is more of a cool tone highlighter, so it's a real sort of gold colour. So I'm going to pop that on. Hopefully that's focused and you guys can see that, but yeah, that's what they look like, so I'm so excited to use them. Let's go in with Ava, because I have kind of a pink thing going on, so I'm just gonna literally, a lot of that comes off. So the pans are huge, it will last you a long time. So here we go. That was so weird. Here we go! So here we go. Oh girl! Poppin'! It's honestly insane. That is incredible. Go so overboard with this. Control yourself. Just gonna put it down my nose. Basically limit it to the high points of the face, so Cupid's bow. A little bit, dust a little bit on the chin, and we'll do the other side of my cheek. So this one's a rose gold, so it's definitely, you can see the pinky tones in it. Usually I'm more of like a copper kind of person, or a bronze or gold, but I did want to try that one out today because it looked really pretty. Also, if you buy the Master of Illumination palette by Garbo and Kelly on mym.co.nz, you can also get 50% off one of Garbo and Kelly's other palettes, so the cream contour, the powder and cream contour, or the eyeshadow palette. Honestly, like 10 out of 10. I love it. So I would highly recommend these. So worth the money, so go check them out on mym.co.nz. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the finished look using the Master of Illumination palette by Garbo and Kelly. I also did use the cream contour kit as well by Garbo and Kelly, but that's in a different video. So they look really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.